Please do the recording. Somebody should record this. And who is may know who is recording it?
Sir, Shashank sir.
Shashank, admin and link kalskodo. Okay, please copy this problem. I'll try to explain this.
Okay, sir.
Please, all of you record, write on the problem. Nikhil, good morning, man. Please write down the problem. Now we are all self-sufficient. You're all labor on your own capability. You can solve this. Okay, I just read it for you. 10 to the power of m plus n into 12 to the power of 2m minus n into 25 to the power of n whole divided by 18 to the power of m minus n multiplied 15 to the power of m plus 3n 16 to the power of m. This is what the problem is. Okay, have you copied it? Have you copied it? Have you copied it or not? Hello?
I copied the question, sir.
Okay.
Copied the question, sir.
Now, just follow my instruction. Okay, there are some 2-digit numbers. I can call this 10, 12, 25, 18, 15, 16. All they're all 2-digit numbers. You need to convert these 2-digit numbers into the simple bases. Simple bases. Okay. Yeah. Bases are now, if you just look at this 10 is written as 2 into 5. 12 is written as 3 into 2 square. That is 3 into 4 exactly. Again, that 4 is written as 2 to the power of 2. And 25 is written as 5 square. Getting my point? I am converting the larger bases into simple bases. I am converting the larger bases into simple bases. Hope I am reaching you. Hope I am getting you. Hope you,
Yes, sir.
hope you follow me. I think no problem. Any questions? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah. And
No question,
just,
sir.
yeah, no questions. Then I'm happy, no problem. Then that's fine. I'll just continue. Whatever that you did in the numerator, just follow the same procedure in the denominator. Just follow the same procedure in the denominator. No difference, nothing doing. Okay, I did it saying that 10 is written in its simple form, that is 2 into 5. Similarly, 12 and 25 I converted it. And similarly, 18 I can write it as 9 into 2, where 9 can be written as 3 square. And 15 I can write it as 3 into 5. And 16 I can write it as 2 to the power of 4. 16 I can write it as 2 to the power of 4. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the job is over. Okay. The conversion of bases is done. Next, you just go on applying the law. Just look at the 4 or 5 different laws. The appropriate law, you pick it up and then you apply. And you have any specific question or the query, then I'll interfere. Otherwise, no. Okay. Unless and until you question me, I am not going to give any no kind of suggestions from my end. Okay, if you disturb me, if you interact with me, then I can say I can give you the kind of solution. If you are doing it on your own, that's fine, because it's kind of repetition now. Conversion of basis is done. Now based on that, I'm picking up the appropriate law, okay, from 1 to 6. Okay, you can just go on to the previous slide and you have all the laws written, and accordingly you apply the law. Accordingly you apply the law. Any problem? Is there any problem in applying the law? Hello? You need my assistance? You need my assistance?
No, sir, we are solving, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you then. Please. Okay, apply the law and then. Okay, another question idre matra keli, I'll help you. Otherwise, you can do it on your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just take some 10 minutes rest. Rest to my throat. Anybody want this slide to be on full screen? Okay, whether it is visible or not completely?
Visible, sir.
Okay, fine then. Continue, please. As soon as you solve and complete it, okay, please put the same image in the chat box. Let me check it. I want the image to be posted in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
I want the image. It continues to the next page also. Once you complete this, I'll just go to the next slide. This is for 10 marks. Anybody got the answer? Even if you simply copy it also, you can prove the answer.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Who is that? Hello?
So Deepak, sir.
Deepak, idre.
LHS equals RHS.
Oh, very good. I love you. Very good. Very good, Deepak. ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗ್ದು
Okay, sir.
ದೀಪಕ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ.
Okay, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Please.
Sure, sir.
Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. I am happy. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. You have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that's more than enough. I'll just move on to the next slide. Okay, it is okay. Look at this. This is this here is the mark 1 into 3 to the power of minus m minus 2n. And okay, it's all about your simplification. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಡಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಬೇಸ್ 0 ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 power 0 is 1, 5 power 0 is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And it's all about your mere simplification and nothing else to repeat here. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಯಾರು? ದೀಪಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ದೀಪಕ್. Very good, Deepak. Anybody else? Hello.
Almost done, sir.
Okay. Take 10 more minutes, no problem. Deepak ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. Usually we need some 20 minutes to solve this. 20-25 minutes back on an average. Nagadanush. Good. Yeah. LHS is equal to RHS. Very good. Done. Very good, Nagadanush. Preeti also fine. Fine, very good, all of you. Doing, showing good progress. Thank you. I'm proud of you. Anybody else require my help? Vishwas done. Tapasya done. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ ನಿಂದು ಇದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್ದು. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ್, send me the image. Shrikant, Vishwas, Hita. Oh my God. Good, Hita. I'm very happy for you. Very good. Keep it up. Very good. Very good. Vishwas, where is your image?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Keep it up. Continue doing like this. Vishwas, where is your image, man? Send me the image. Sumed. Oh, very good. Very good. Fine. Yeah. Good. Good. Very good, all of you. Very good. Very good, Vishwas. Very good. Yeah. Shall I continue to the next one? How much time we are
Yes,
left?
sir. Continue.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to continue with the next one. Okay. Copy this problem. Pth root of x to the power of n into x to the power of m by p into qth root of x to the power of n divided by qth root of x to the power of minus m into x to the power of n minus m1 into x to the power of m plus 1. You need to just simplify this. Copy this and then simplify. Copy this problem. I read it again for you. Pth root of x power n into x to the power of m by p into qth root of x to the power of n whole divided by qth root of x to the power of minus m into x to the power of n minus 1 into x to the power of m plus 1. Apply the appropriate law. That's it. Pick up the law and then apply and then simplify. Pick up the appropriate law. Apply the law. Then simplify. Just three-point formula to get the answer. That's it. Just 3-point solution, man. First, you need to identify the law, pick up the law, apply the law, and then simplify. Finished. Just follow these steps. You'll get it. Got the answer? Hello. Are you all okay?
Doing, sir.
Okay,
Could you please
okay.
explain? Could you please explain the third step, sir?
Yes, sir.
Third step. Yeah.
Oh,
See, if you look at the third step, you have all, there is a common base x, right?
yeah, sir.
Yeah, there's a common base x. Now, I can apply the law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. You can apply it to any number of bases. No problem. Now, there are three bases. X to the power of, this is n by p.
Sir,
Yeah.
there is one base, three powers, no, sir.
One base, fine. Okay, it is repeated three times. A to the power of m, a to the power of n, a to the power of p,
Yes.
you can consider, right?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Then you just apply the law and then add it. You will get it.
After that, sir, what have you done in the next step, sir? I got the base thing because second law I've used it. After that, x
Okay.
to the power of q is taken as common. Like, what have you done there?
Third step you're asking.
Yeah, sir. Third
Yeah.
step, there is second is equals to, like, before the solution, there is a step.
Before the solution, there's a step, and I need to enter into full screen. Wait 1 second. Yeah, third step, I have taken this n by p, m by p, n by q. Next, x to the power of minus m by q plus n minus 1 plus m plus 1. Okay. Now, in the denominator, you can cancel minus 1 and plus 1.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. And after that,
Yes.
if you look at the numerator, okay, we have P, P and Q. What's the LCM?
PQ, sir.
PQ is the LCM, right? We
Right,
have,
sir.
yeah, P, comma P, comma Q. Okay, in the denominator.
Oh, got it, sir. Got it. Got it.
Got
Okay.
it?
Got
Yeah,
it, sir.
I take an LCM and then simplified.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please correct me if something is wrong there. Okay, it's done long back. Even I did not check it formally. Okay, I have done it all in a hurry kind of thing, so that to upload at on a to the best earliest possible time and the matter. Another mistakes idre, please try to identify and tell me. I try to rectify it. It's quite complex, even though the things are simple here, but the solution is bit difficult. It is quite difficult. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, if you don't follow any of the steps, please disturb me. I'm here to help you. You have all the right to disturb me, okay, for a right reason, for a valid reason. Got the answer, Sumit?
Yeah, sir. Got the answer.
Fine. Please put it in the chat box. I'll close it quite early, maybe around no 11:45 or so. I'll just close it. Some 10 minutes early, I'll just close it. Good, Priti. Well done. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಂಡಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
7 problems, sir.
7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಳೇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
Oh, sir. First in the series, 7 problems.
7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದಾಜು? ದೀಪಕ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್?
Sir,
Sir,
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋಣ. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ನೀನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್.
Sir, even I have posted, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, I have 5 more minutes. Deepak, good man. Okay. We'll solve some another 5 or 6 problems. Okay, almost ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I'll try to pick up some questions from the question papers if possible. ಯಾರೋ PPT ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದ್ದು? ಹಲೋ, PPT ಯಾರೋ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದು? Any questions from anybody? I'll just download your attendance. 35 people are there. ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಳೇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. Hello? Shall I close it?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions?
No, sir.
Anybody?
No questions.
Okay, good then.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Any Asifa? You have any questions? Asifa? You have not posted any of your solutions. Asifa, did you posted any of your writings? Asifa.